What is it that has hurt us so much that we have come on the streets, that we have come here to speak, to register our protest? Yes. Dr. Ambedkar told us one thing many years ago, before the Constitution was written. It is your claim to equality that hurts them. And this is about an equal India. It is our claim that every citizen of India is an equal citizen.
देखिए, अगर आप उनको अटेंशन देंगे तो उनका पर्पस सब होता है। देखना बंद कर दीजिए, स्पीच को सुनिए।
हम यहाँ ज्ञान हासिल करने आए हैं, इतने बड़े बड़े स्पीकर्स यहाँ मौजूद हैं, हम उनको सुनेंगे ना। उधर मत देखिए, वो लायक नहीं है, वो आपके नजर के भी लायक नहीं है। आप यहाँ देखिए, इधर आइए।
The basis is equality. We want every person to be treated equally. And what is the basis of equality in any constitution? What is a constitution? A constitution is what the people determine it to be. Liberty lives in the hearts of citizens. And when it dies there, no court, no constitution can save it. And when we come out on the streets, we come out as soldiers of the constitution. A constitution is not about a relationship between the citizen and the state. It is also about a relationship between citizen and citizen. It is a constitutional contract that we have with every citizen of India that we shall work this constitution and this country together. Why did we write this constitution? Why did we write this magnificent constitution? We wrote it because in the 1940s, when we adopted the constitution, we had seen great violence. We had seen the World War. We had seen the Holocaust. We had seen the assassination of the Mahatma. We had seen partition. Our fathers and our grandfathers said, let us write a constitution where we do not repeat those mistakes. Where a man or a woman does not hate another man or another woman simply because of the God he prays to or she prays to. Us today as a modern nation is our modern constitution. And a constitution has to be renewed from time to time. It is renewed from time to time by public affirmation like we are doing here.
True.
We are come here to reaffirm our support for an equal constitution. And there's another reason why we have come here. And another reason why I have come here. Many of us are law students. Many of us work the constitution or hope to work it. But there are some of us who have come from this very place, from DU, who have gone on to adorn constitutional office and have spoilt the constitution. I am told that the former Chief Justice who started all this NRC business also came from DU. As did the other brother judge who sat with him. So we, as DU students, as men of law, have much to apologize for. But we have much to be proud of also. Because it was as men of law that Dr. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, Mahatma Gandhi, and Muhammad Ali Jinnah, all of them were men of law. But men of law can be mistaken Men of law can always want to win their case and lose the client. Today my client is India. Today my client is the young of India. That is the only majority in India. There is no greater majority than the young. And if you, the young, hold the constitution dear, you will hold every constitutional authority to its constitutional responsibility. Any authority that divides us is going against the constitution. Any authority that thinks by playing to sectarian agenda it will get into power, that is anti-constitutional. And today, when they bring in a law just because they have a majority, we have to tell them, there is a constitution above you, be you ever so high. And the constitution is a solemn compact which keeps legislation out of the reach of mere majorities temporary. It was the Pakistani poet who looked at a Pakistani dictator. No, not Faiz. Habib Jalil, who looked at General Yahya Khan and told him, जो तुझसे पहले यहाँ तक नशीन था, उसको भी अपने खुदा होने का उतना ही यकीन था. बहुत बढ़िया. And so far beyond the temporary majorities of the day is this solemn constitutional compact that we entered into on 26th November 1949, when we said, we the people of India give ourselves this constitution. Having given ourselves this constitution, we shall defend it. Yes. We shall not allow it to be hollowed out from inside. This is what is happening. That you take a constitutional provision and you say it means something else. This is what they think they can do with temporary majorities. Majorities can come, majorities can go. But as long as you and those who come after you stand up firmly and say that we shall live in peace, in equality, in liberty, equality and fraternity, nobody can put us down. That's all I want to tell you. Professor Yadav and Colin have told you in detail about the CAA. The basic problem with the CAA is simply this. It has introduced a very dangerous kind of citizen among us. We have been given the right to say somebody is less equal than us. We, sir, do not want that right. That would be a constitutional sin. We are all equal. We are all equal in the eyes of God, and we are all equal in the eyes of the Constitution. With that, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Hind.
भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय.